Out of the MGB family, the MGC is one of the rarest of beasts. A little under 4,500 of these six-cylinder powered sports cars are rolled off the production line, making these beauties a rare sight on the British roads. This one, our 1970 MGC GT, is a beautiful example. Kitted out with a 3-litre straight-six and manual gearbox, only made more striking by its gorgeous blue paintwork. And now it could be yours. Turn heads and hit the open road with our 1970 MGC GT. Head over to the British Classic Cars competitions website now and get yourself some tickets. Good luck!